We are asked a yes or no question. Is there any stretch of side-by-side numbers that adds up to 0? In this array, 2 plus minus 3 plus 1 is 0, so the answer is yes. We want to decide this fast without testing every possible stretch. Here's the neat observation. Keep a running total as you walk the array. If that running total ever returns to a value it had before, then everything added in between must cancel out to 0. So the whole question becomes, does any prefix sum repeat? We remember every prefix sum we have seen in a hash set, which can answer have I seen this before in order one time. We also put 0 in the set to start, so a stretch from the very beginning is caught. The moment a prefix repeats, we can say yes. We start the prefix at 0 and put 0 into the set, standing for the empty start. For each value, we extend the prefix. If this prefix is already in the set, some earlier point had the same total, so the stretch between them is 0 and we return true. Otherwise, we add the prefix to the set and continue. If we finish without a repeat, we return false. Let's build the zero-sum check live, block by block. Start the running total at 0 and put 0 into a set so a stretch from the start counts. Walk the array, extending the prefix sum by each value. If this prefix has appeared before, the stretch in between sums to 0, so answer yes. Otherwise, remember this prefix and go on. Finish with no repeat means answer no. Now, let's test it and hit run. There we go. The first array has 2 minus 3, and one that canceled to 0, so true, while the second never does, so false. The flow at a glance. Start with prefix 0 and 0 in the set. For each element, extend the prefix and check the set. If the prefix is already there, return true. Otherwise, add it and loop. If the array ends with no repeat, return false. We look at each element once, and every set check and insert is order 1, so the time is order n. The space is order n since the set may hold one prefix sum per element. A few reminders. Always place 0 in a set before you begin, otherwise a stretch that starts at the very front is missed. Remember, a single 0 in the array is already a zero-sum stretch by itself, and the whole idea rests on one fact. When a running total repeats, everything added between those 2 points must cancel to 0.